Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something truly beautiful and creative, hand embroidery designs. Embroidery is one of the oldest and most loved art forms in the world. It's all about using a simple needle and colorful threads to create magic on fabric. Whether you are decorating clothes, cushions, tablecloths or wall hanging ideas, embroidery adds a personal and artistic touch that never goes out of style. Let's talk about some popular hand embroidery designs you can try at home. First, we have floral embroidery, one of the most classic and beautiful styles. You can stitch roses, sunflowers, tulips, or even wildflowers using simple stitches like the satin stitch or lazy daisy stitch. Floral designs look amazing on blouses, dupattas, or even handbags. Next, there are leaf or vine embroidery. It's simple but elegant, perfect for borders or sleeves. A few curved lines and small leaves can instantly make your fabric look detailed and natural. Then we have geometric patterns like circles, triangles, and diamonds. These are great if you want a modern look. You can play with colors to make the shapes pop. Another favorite is mirror work embroidery, also known as Asian embroidery. It's bright, shiny, and perfect for festive outfits. The tiny mirrors reflects light beautifully, making your clothes sparkle. Don't forget animal and bird embroidery designs. These designs are fun, creative. You can make cute butterflies, elegant peacocks, or even little cats and dogs using colorful threads. If you like something elegant, try white on white embroidery, also known as shadow work. It looks clean and graceful, ideal for baby clothes or formal wear. Now let's talk about stitch types you can use for these designs. Some of the most common stitches are chain satin, French knots, satin stitches. Each one gives a different texture and feel to your design. To start your embroidery project, you can need a few things: a piece of fabric, embroidery hoop, needle, and colorful threads. You can also trace your design on the fabric before stitching, so it's easier to follow. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.